Also, tell them about how I adjust you after the first time.
What's that?
Hmm?
I didn't hear.
Adjustment. Chiropractic adjustment when he treat you.
Oh, for the chiropractor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was very good. I suffer from my neck about for so long, almost like 30 years. And when I came here after 2 sessions, I can move my neck back and forth, and before I couldn't do it.
That was
Yeah.
the stabilization.
He cracked my neck twice,
Uh-huh.
and then it's gone. The pain all gone. Yeah. Before I couldn't like put my head back, but now,
Stop. You
yeah,
see?
now I can.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You have to say I adjust you, right?
Yeah.
Adjust you. Okay, correct.
No, that's good. That's good. It's really good.
All
That's
right.
really good.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.